Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with a sparkly eye look, and I think it really works, especially during the holidays when you're not sure what you want to do as far as the eye look. Um, well, anyway, let's just get into it. So I did go ahead and start with the NYX Glaze as far as what I went ahead and did for my facial foundation today, and then I went ahead and added some of the Glow Lotion by L'Oreal in 902. So that's what I have on there, and I did use the NYX Bear With Me as far as my concealer today, so I do have that on. And then I used the MAC Light and Rosy bronzer for my bronzer today. The NYX Buttermelt Blush in I Know Butta, and this one is shiny, it's more of a coral, so more of a coral color there. And then as far as what I did for highlighter, I did go ahead and use the NYX Royal Highlighter, and this is my favorite product of the holiday season so far. I went ahead and used it as a blush topper today, and it does go from a champagne gold into a very pretty pink kind of color, so it is definitely a multi-chrome here. And then I picked up the Revolution, and this is the Rose Lustre highlighter, so I have this one on as well, and I just put this one on the very high point of the cheek. So yeah, it's probably my official highlighter today. I did go ahead and do the lips and started with the e.l.f. This is their peach lip stain, so that's what I have on there. And let's see, I tried to run away. The Metaglow, and I went ahead and used that. Did I use? I didn't use the pink one. I went ahead and used, no, that's it. Okay, so with the Metaglow, I have two. I have a pink and a gold one, and today I went ahead and used the gold one. So to make a long story short, that's what I have on there. And as far as the holiday season is going, all of the makeup companies or all of the eyeshadow companies are really doing the twinkly eyeshadows. They've moved from the metallic more into the twinkle area. Natasha Denona started with that with I Need a Nude, and it just sort of has built over the last couple of years. So what I'm saying is that for the holidays, if you don't know what you want to do, just having a basic twinkle on your eye will probably get you through most anything. I got out the Ensley Rain Wolf Moon, and that's what I have on today, and it tends to be a pretty neutral palette. I did go ahead and put this color in my crease, then this on the inner corner, and then I went ahead and did this on the outer corner. Put a little bit of this in the crease as well, and I think that's all that I did with the actual eyeshadow palette. I did use my cute little, I unboxed a Joy Bright advent calendar, and so I used my eyeliner from that. So I do have the eyeliner from the calendar on. This is the way that the look came out. And so again, if you're, doing stuff for the holidays and you find that you need something, twinkly, sparkly look, no matter if it has a lot of color or just a couple of sprinkles of glitter on your eye, will probably go ahead and get you through. And I think that's probably the video for today. And I hope that you have a great day. And again, thank you for, I got a trim from a good friend of my aunt's, and it is just looking great, and I love it. And thank you, and have a great day. Bye.